Imagine a world where materials can be rebuilt, atom by atom. A world where things become stronger, lighter, and completely reinvented. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology has completely transformed current science and engineering practice. By enabling us to design and manipulate materials at the atomic and molecular levels. Right at the center of this revolution is nanoparticle synthesis. It is currently one of the most vibrant fields in modern science, opening up incredible new opportunities in medicine, energy, catalysis, and environmental protection. But what makes these tiny particles so special? When materials are shrunk down to the nanoscale, their properties completely change. Nanoparticles are exceptionally mechanically strong, highly chemically reactive, and optically active, especially when compared to their larger, bulk counterparts. Because of these unique, almost superpower-like traits, they have become absolutely indispensable in our most advanced technologies. Today, nanotechnology is no longer just a luxury. It has become crucial for addressing our biggest global issues. From human health and clean energy, to environmental sustainability and energy efficiency. But there is a hidden cost to this advanced technology. The rapid development in manufacturing nanomaterials has raised significant environmental and severe health concerns. Traditional production methods require an excessive use of toxic solvents, hazardous reducing agents, and massive amounts of electricity. In short, the way we used to make them is simply not sustainable. To fix this, a new scientific movement has emerged, called green synthesis. This approach is built directly upon the 12 principles of green chemistry. Originally proposed by scientists Paul Anastas and John Warner. Their mission is clear: to design manufacturing processes that actively minimize waste and toxicity, while heavily enhancing energy efficiency. Green chemistry changes everything. It seeks to reduce harmful substances across the entire life cycle of a product, from its initial design all the way to its final disposal. So, how does green chemistry look in action? Instead of harsh chemicals, scientists are now using biological systems and eco-friendly physical methods to synthesize nanoparticles. These biological routes utilize the power of nature, using plants, bacteria, fungi, algae, and even simple yeast as natural stabilizing agents. Plant extracts contain incredible natural compounds, like phytochemicals and enzymes. These biomolecules can safely reduce metal ions into nanoparticles, using nothing more than simple water-based conditions. This brings massive practical advantages. It offers incredibly mild reaction conditions, lowers production costs, scales up easily, and ensures the final particles are entirely safe for biological use. Today, these green nanoparticles are creating major breakthroughs. They are powering advanced drug delivery systems, antimicrobials, and intelligent farming tools. By aligning with green chemistry, we are completely transforming manufacturing, stepping away from pollution, and moving toward a clean, sustainable future. Green synthesis proves that we don't have to choose between advanced technology and a healthy planet. The future of science is sustainable. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe, so you never miss our next deep dive into modern science. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.